I'm Sian from Thomas the Baker, and today I'm going to show you how to use dried yeast in your bread recipes. We're currently selling little pots of dried yeast in our stores. Check on our website to see which stores are currently open. So when you're using dried yeast in your recipe, you need to first activate it before you add it into the dough. So to do this, you need to take part of your water from your recipe. This should be around body temperature, and add around a cup of it into a bowl. Then you're going to take a heaped teaspoon of your dried yeast and pop this into the bowl. And then you're going to add half a teaspoon of sugar. So this is to activate the yeast. You could also use a splash of milk, or if you're feeling adventurous, a bit of honey can help with this as well. And then give it a good stir. Now we're going to cover this over and leave it for around 10-15 minutes to activate. You can tell that it's working as it'll start to bubble and froth on the top of the water. These quantities work for a bread recipe that needs around 450 grams of flour, but you can scale it up or down depending on how much flour you need and how many bread loaves you're making. So about 15 minutes later, and it's time to check our yeast. So as you can see, that's frothed right up on the top there. And that means it's ready for baking. Now you simply need to add this to your dough recipe. We have a country crunch recipe on our blog, which is one of our most popular loaves. You can use dried or fresh yeast in that. Both are activated in the same way like this. Just make sure that you don't add your salt directly into this, as it will kill the yeast. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was a handy little video for those of you looking to use yeast at home for the first time.